Hi guys, happy Thursday. It is Thursday, May 28th, 2020. Today what we're going to do is we are going to review one more and one less of a number, and then we're going to learn how we can find 10 more just using our brains, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at the number 25, okay? To review one less and one more, we always look in the ones place. So if I'm looking at the number 25, I'm going to look here in the ones house. Now, I know there can't be more than 9 ones in the ones house, okay? So if I'm thinking 5, that's an easy one to look at. So we're going to ignore this 2 right here and think of one less than 25. Well, if I think about the ones house, 1 less than 5 is 4. So my ones house for 1 less is going to have a 4 in it, and my tens house is going to stay the same. So 1 less than 25 is 24. 1 more than 25 is the number that comes after 25, which is 26. I know you guys are great at number sequencing, so I didn't even have to look in the ones house. If you need to do that, you can. Look at the ones house. 1 more than 5 is 6, okay? Let's check our answer, 24, 25, 26, okay? So 1 more and 1 less, we look at the ones house. For 10 more than a number, we're going to look in the tens house. So let's use the number 25 again. So here I have the number 25. And I want to know what would happen if Mrs. Wright had 25 cupcakes and Luke came and gave me 10 more cupcakes. Well, instead of looking in the ones house, because we're looking at 10 more, we're going to look in the tens house. Great job. So what I have to think about is this number right here. If Luke gives me 1 10 more instead of 2 10s, now I'm going to have 3 10s. So my 2 10s change to 3 10s when I add 10 more, and my ones stay the same. When you're adding 10 more, your ones don't change. They stay exactly as they are. If I want to do 10 less, we'll look at that a little bit more tomorrow, okay? But we're going to still stay in that tens house. Today what I want to do is just focus on 10 more. All right, so let's look at another number here. So 52 and 10 more than 52 would be what? All right, so we're looking for 10 more, which means we're gonna look in this tens house. If you're given 1 more 10, what would 1 more 10 here be? Instead of 5 10s, we would have, if you said 6 10s, great job. Our 5 becomes 6 10s because we added 1 more 10 there. And our 2 stays the same. Remember, when we're adding 10, our 2 stays, or our ones house stays exactly as it is, okay? And we just add 1 more to our tens house. Let's do 1 together. Let's see, I have 88. Okay, 88, I'm looking for 10 more than 88. Take a minute and think about what our number is going to be for 10 more. Don't forget, we're only changing the tens house. All right, let's look at it. So if I'm looking for 10 more, I need to think about what number comes after 8 because I'm adding 1 10. So instead of 8 10s, if I add 1 more 10, I'm going to have 9 10s. How about my ones? What do they become? They stay the same. So 10 more than 88 is 98, okay? All right, you guys are gonna do a little practice with that today with 10 more, and then tomorrow we'll get into 10 less. Have a good night, bye.